What's up, guys? You got a blown out outlet or an outlet that is shorted? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to replace an outlet. First thing you want to do is see if the outlet is live. I prefer to use a outlet tester, and as you can see, the top outlet is still in good working order. The bottom outlet has obviously seen better days and needs to be replaced as the metal prongs are completely exposed. Find your breaker box and turn off the appropriate breaker to the outlet. Once the power's off, I'm going to take the outlet cover off, held in by a flathead screw. Once the cover's off, I'm going to double check and make sure the power's off with a voltage tester. Seems good. Gonna remove the old outlet with 2 Phillips head screws holding it in. Next, gonna pull the old outlet out. There's gonna be a little resistance as the wires are pretty thick. Next thing we're gonna do is remove the black wire, which is on the right side of the outlet if you are looking at it. Then remove the neutral wire on the left side. Now that we got the wires out, we want to make sure that they are looped like this. This is how I do it anyway. You guys may have a different way, but this is the way I like to do it. And then right for power, your black wire, you want the loop to go in the direction that the screw is turning, so it actually tries to pull the wire in, making it a more secure connection. Do the same thing with your neutral wire. And unless there's a toggle switch hooked up to the outlet, it doesn't matter if it goes on the top or the bottom. If you have an outlet that has a neutral wire here, a neutral wire here, or 2 hot wires, look for this little bridge right there and see if that's intact. If it's not, then you have more than likely have a toggle switch that's hooked up to it. Get that nice and tight. We're gonna do the same thing for the ground wire. Go ahead and shove the wires back into the box. Forgot something. I want to tighten these screws because it is a metal box and I don't want them sticking out and causing a short. Go ahead and put the outlet cover back on. And I'm going to put my outlet tester in and I'm going to reapply power to the outlet. Bottom looks good. Top looks good. Alright, that's how you replace an electrical outlet. Hope that helps y'all out. If you have any other ways of doing this that are easier, any comments, questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But until the next fix, I'm Dave Spates. See y'all next time.